In this video, we'll go over Symbol. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year. With a massive rise in crypto popularity, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Before we begin, we are having a 700 XRP coin giveaway. To enter, all you need to do is give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, symbol to the moon. And we'll announce the winner on September the 31st. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. There have also been cases of people buying a monkey JPEG for only $300 and flipping it on the market for over $400,000 just 6 months later. So how can one be sure of an insane return from an investment? By simply looking at a coin's fundamentals, it can make the world of a change from investing into something that will hit rock bottom or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is Symbol? Symbol is a blockchain platform launched in March of 2021. It's the spiritual successor to NEM, featuring a new consensus algorithm called Proof of Stake Plus, POS Plus, rule-based tokens, called mosaics, namespaces, multi-signature accounts, and aggregate transactions. Its client, Catapult, is written in C++. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. In November 2021, Symbol was forked by a pseudonymous team of cryptocurrency experts and enthusiasts alike. Titled Cypress, this hard fork signaled the community's intent to turn Symbol into the world's leading omni-chain platform with content-specific, scalable shards, powered by ZKS to RKS. Symbol aims to solve for problems inherent in EVM-based platforms and omni-chain solutions, where security is often defined at a smart contract level versus a network-wide level, where L2 validators are centralized and not incentivized, and where new features and functionality are decided by central client teams versus a fair and free market. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting 50 cents by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.